from Head to Curve, our plus size fashion and lifestyle community. Today we're going to do something that we haven't done in a bit. We are going to cook. I'm going to create a nice date night or even single date night, pampering yourself meal that I actually made during my 2-week hiatus. I really enjoyed the meal. I really loved it. I really love the taste. So basically I found I'll put the pin up here. I'll probably do like a screen record and put the pin up here, but I found a meal on Pinterest that I was like, yes, I have to try this. And so we're gonna have that and some mashed potatoes. And I'm gonna do a veggie that I'm not quite sure yet, but you can swap out the veggie or even the sides, it doesn't matter. It's really all about the chicken thighs, okay? First, guys, give this video a thumbs up. I want to try to get to 1,000 thumbs up so that we can reach more people here on YouTube, and YouTube can kind of push our video to some new faces and we can grow our community. That will be very helpful to me and it will allow me to be more helpful to you guys. So thank you so much for your support. First, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is, of course, Walmart. Thank you, Walmart, so much for sponsoring today's video. Walmart actually gave us some great date night options for Valentine's Day. If you want to do a Galentine's Day, or you're doing a single night in like myself, or you're having a small girls night in, like a little sleepover with your kids, and you want to show some Valentine's Day gifts with your kids, like things like that. There are a ton of options that Walmart offers you guys that are more affordable, so you do not feel like you have to break the bank in order to celebrate love on this weekend. It's not about spending thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on gifts. You can actually just spend time with the person that you love in a very inexpensive way and just kind of have like a little theme-centered night to share love with that person that you're already with all throughout the year. So I will show you guys some of the items that Walmart has sent over in their nice, cute little date night box, which I think is so cute. And then they also have a ton of other options that are available online. Well, you can check out for like 1 to 2 day shipping or pick up at the store, so you can kind of do something for your loved one this weekend and it not feel too rushed, but it not break your bank. So I'll show you those items and then we're gonna get into today's meal. So I got this skinny pack corn, which you can have like a little movie night with your friends, your gals, your family member, your significant other. I usually put some popcorn seasoning on this bad boy because I like my popcorn a little cheesy, but that's like that very inexpensive snack that you can have during a movie night if you don't want to like do a huge meal or something like that. And you can do like a little pizza or something if you want to add to that. So this is kind of, and it's very inexpensive and something you can add to your date night. Oh, come on now. I will be using these later. So this is a very nice and heavy uplift candle that is from Walmart as well. It's pomelo, patchouli, and bergamot are the fragrances in this, and it's a coconut wax blend candle. It's uplift, it smells very good, and it's nice and heavy too. So it's a really good size 2-wick candle that you can add to your date night. But you can like just add in a little ambiance by lighting this bad boy and adding there. All of Walmart's candles smell really good to me. They have really good size candles and they are inexpensive, so you can add them to your date night as well, or dinner. So like, you know, I love clean scents, and this one is an extremely heavy, overpowering scent to where you feel like you're gasping for air. So I like that, and I like the fact that it is still like a good soft scent, but it also smells clean as well. And it has this nice color and heavy weight to it, so you know it's gonna last a little while. So here is some Essie nail polish. I'm actually going to use this tonight, like this week, to polish my toes because they have been unpolished for a while. So this is like just a cute little thing that you can do with your kids. If you're spending Valentine's Day with them, y'all can have like a little mani-pedi night for Valentine's Day and a movie night. So you can do like the inexpensive meal and have the skinny pack popcorn with your seasoning, of course. Y'all can do like a little addition with mani-pedis as well as watching a movie. So you can have like a little day in this weekend with your girls. If you're not sure what to do just yet, that's very inexpensive and something you can pop off at the last minute and surprise them with. Just kind of set up the scene with some blankets and pillows, and then have like some little nail polishes around and stuff like that. Have your candles out, have your snack or your pizza out already, and then your popcorn lined up, and then some of these and a movie ready, and you're good to go. That's your whole celebration for Valentine's Day. I have been eyeing this Dossier brand that is like a designer fragrance brand that is more affordable. So this is a gourmand White Flowers is the scent. It smells really good, and this is a very, very affordable fragrance that is available at Walmart. So the whole Dossier line is perfect for that, to get that designer fragrance for less of the price. So if this is a good fashion style, beauty style gift, your girlfriends, your mom, your sister, nieces, or whatever for Valentine's Day, if you're doing like a gal's day in, or you could buy this for yourself. So you have the inexpensive version of a designer brand fragrance. And yeah, this is a good size too. Like, this should last you a little bit. So this is a really good gift option for Valentine's Day. So also they have this mini jade roller, which is perfect, again, if you're doing like a little girls spa day in. That will be cute if you want to do this for the kids, or as well if you just need a mini roller. And this is actually a cute beauty gift. If you don't know how to apply it, then it shows you exactly how to do it on the back, just in case. So yeah, that's a good affordable addition to a girls' night in, or just as a beauty gift for someone that you love that's going to enjoy their skincare items. Also, another skincare gift would be this Freeman mask kit, which comes with 3 gel masks, and then it comes with the mask applicator, and then you have a nice little scrub. So it's a nice 5-piece kit that can be either added into goodie bags for a little girl's day in, or your friend's gal's day in, or a Valentine's Day, or even a gift for a family member. This is a nice addition that will be inexpensive and allow them to have something to treat themselves for a few days of the week if they plan to, or even a couple of weeks if they plan to just do mask a couple of days of the week. You have this option, and then the scrub will last you a little bit as well. So this is for the girls adult game. It is nice adult game that is good for a girls' day in, or if you're doing a Valentine's Day, you can add this to your agenda. And it's like a card game, and it's kind of like you read like some truth or dare type stuff on the card, and it's really cute. So it's for adults, so this is not something that you would do for the kids, but this is something that you can add into your agenda if you are doing like a girls' day in, or a Valentine's Day dinner or night in as well. So those are all of the Valentine's Day items that are perfect for your inexpensive weekend. If you needed a little help in kind of thinking of other inexpensive ways that you can celebrate Valentine's Day with your loved ones this weekend, these are some great options. Also, I will have some other pages that are good for gifts for him, gifts for her, gifts for homes, gift for fashion, gifts for beauty, all of the things that are available at Walmart. I have those links for you guys in the description below, so you can check those out. And then don't be afraid to check out and start shopping now if you're kind of doing some last minute, because Walmart may have some things in store for you to go and pick up, or some things that can be delivered to you within a day or two, so that you can have it on Valentine's Day, so that you can get it to your loved one, and it'll be an inexpensive shopping experience and trip. So let me show you this food. Let's go ahead and get into it so you guys can see if this is something you want to make for your loved one as well. Okay. So here are a few of the items that you're going to need initially when you do this recipe. So I have some organic chicken thighs, then I have some butter. I got 2 onions. I'm gonna cut up both onions. Then I have some baby golden potatoes for our mashed potatoes, and then you're gonna need some type of cheese. I have mozzarella. You're also gonna need heavy whipping cream, garlic, seasonings, and some vegetable or chicken broth. So I'll have the link to the pin in the description below, but I'll also just be showing you guys how I'm cooking mine. Of course, this is like food. This is not baking, so you can like put your own spin to it or whatever. So yeah. Oh, also I'm going to be using, because we're going to be putting the chicken thighs in the oven, I'm going to be using my cast iron skillet, which is also available at Walmart. So I'll have that link below for you guys as well. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking so we can start cooking.
much trouble now, now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily, 'cause baby we got chemistry, chemistry. We got something special, but you want the whole world. Cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now, now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so
All done cooking. You're gonna have to forgive that I don't have the best presentation when it comes to food. I'm just still learning to cook in general. And I left the skin on my potatoes because the golden potatoes have a really thin skin, and I actually like the skin in the mashed potatoes, with those specifically. We go to those other mashed potatoes, the other potatoes. I forgot the name of the big brown ones, the darker brown ones, but those, yes, have to be peeled. But these, I don't mind skin in my potatoes. And I went ahead and did broccoli because I forgot I had broccoli already cooked in the icebox, and I need to finish. Come on, icebox. I had broccoli already cooked in the fridge, and I need to finish that off. So I went ahead with that. But you can pair it with asparagus or any other kind of veggie of your choice. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a taste. I've only cooked this once during my 2-week hiatus at the beginning of 2022, and it was so good. So let's see. I don't like eating on camera, but we're gonna move on. It is very good. It is very good. And I made my potato, like when I put in my, when I was preparing my potatoes, I put Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning in it because I love Hidden Valley Ranch anything. On anything all the time. Like I eat it with my pizza, I eat it with my spaghetti. I'm country like that. I love ranch on almost everything. It has to stay in my house. It's almost an essential like butter. It just has to stay there. So yeah, I put that in my not my mac and cheese, my mashed potatoes. It's really good. And I put some of the remaining caramelized onions on top of my mashed potatoes as well to get a little bit more onion. And that is the meal. So guys, let me know how you like this, if you're going to make it, if you're going to try it. You may not even do it this weekend, but if you're going to try it at some point, let me know how you like it and if you think this is something your family would like. Definitely don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so we can grow and our videos are pushed out to more people by YouTube. And also thank you Walmart for sponsoring this video, and definitely guys, don't forget to check out Walmart for all of their affordable options on date night activities and gifts that you can give to your significant other and your kids or your family, or if you're just single and you want to pamper yourself on date night for Valentine's Day, then you can do what? Just that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it and cooking it with you guys. Come on, cooking the video. Cooking this meal with you guys. I will chat with you guys on the next video on Tuesday. So don't forget to tune in and click the notification bell so you do not miss a video. I will talk to y'all then.